Zucchini is one of the most generous plants you can grow. Once it takes off, it just keeps giving. But for consistent harvest of plump, tender fruits, your plants need more than just sunshine and water. This simple homemade fertilizer is all natural and designed to keep your zucchini strong, productive, and pest-free. Start by placing 2 tablespoons of rolled oats into a grinder and turning them into a fine powder. Pour this powder into half a liter of warm water. Oats are loaded with important trace minerals like silica, iron, and zinc, elements that promote firm plant tissue and help zucchini develop firm, smooth-skinned fruits. They also enhance the soil's structure and moisture retention. Next, stir in 3 tablespoons of rice cooking water. This starchy liquid is a great source of energy for plants, containing small amounts of nutrients and sugars that encourage growth. Zucchini, being a fast grower, responds especially well to this extra boost during fruit production. Finish by adding 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. Clove powder acts as a natural barrier against pests, deterring common insects such as cucumber beetles and aphids. It also offers antifungal benefits, helping prevent mildew and other diseases that thrive in humid conditions. Give the mixture a good stir and allow it to sit for at least 3 hours. Then strain and dilute it with 2 additional liters of water. Water each plant with around 300 milliliters every 15 days, ideally in the early morning or late afternoon. If this mix helps your zucchini thrive, share with friends who love gardening naturally. Thanks so much for watching and happy growing. See you in the next video.